Hi everyone, on today's video we're going to be talking about cream liqueurs. Some different varieties of them, including whiskey-based ones, some rum-based ones, some different flavors, all those different things which are going to be great for your holiday parties and get-togethers. They're great for just as the dessert drink just by themselves. Basically, what you're going to want to do with most of them, you can just serve them over ice. But you can also do other things with them. Add them to your coffee to make a sweet coffee drink, or add them to your hot cocoa, or add them to ice cream if you want to cool it down a little bit more, make a delicious, decadent holiday dessert treat. Don't forget that this is the time to pick up those seasonals, like the eggnogs, the peppermint ones, those ones that aren't available all year round. Now's the time to get them. So thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to stop on down to Glencoe Wine and Spirits and pick up any number of your favorite cream liqueurs for all of your holiday needs. Happy holidays from everyone here at Glencoe Wine and Spirits.